What if the cities of tomorrow weren't built by humans swinging hammers, but by robots that never sleep, never tire, and construct skyscrapers with laser precision? Welcome to the era of robot builders. Step onto a modern construction site today, and you might be surprised, not by the noise of drills, but by the whir of robotic arms, drones, and autonomous machines transforming blueprints into reality faster and safer than ever before. These aren't sci-fi fantasies. They're real, powerful machines reshaping urban development. One of the most impressive is the robotic bricklayer, capable of laying thousands of bricks per day with pinpoint accuracy. It reads digital designs, calculates angles, applies mortar, and assembles walls in record time without taking a single break. Meanwhile, 3D printing robots are building everything from single-story homes to multi-floor buildings using construction-grade concrete, layered with machine-like precision. These machines reduce material waste, cut labor costs, and dramatically shorten construction timelines. High-flying drones are also part of the crew, surveying sites, scanning structures for defects, and creating real-time 3D maps to guide autonomous equipment. Back on the ground, self-driving bulldozers and excavators dig, level, and haul materials without human operators. And inside towering cranes, AI-powered systems assist in balancing massive loads, optimizing movement, and increasing on-site safety. These robotic systems not only speed up construction, they make it more sustainable, cost-effective, and scalable. In disaster zones or remote areas, robots can build shelters where humans can't. In crowded cities, they minimize disruption while maximizing efficiency. Robot builders aren't just futuristic tools, they're the backbone of tomorrow's skylines. They're turning imagination into infrastructure, one line of code and one robotic gesture at a time. The future isn't under construction, it's already being built. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.